Dear friends, today I am going to tell you about an income tax calculator for the assessment year 2024-25 which I have developed for the benefit of people having income only from salary and bank deposits. This income tax calculator is very simple and user friendly. You only have to modify the entries in the yellow boxes. So suppose your gross salary is 12,50,000 and your TDS is around 50,000. Salary TDS, and suppose you have FD of around 45,000 FD interest, and FD TDS is around 4,500, and suppose your savings bank interest is around 3,500, and as you can see already tax is being calculated, and in case you have tax refund interest from the previous year, you can write it here, otherwise you may ignore it. So I write say 450 rupees, and this cell is only for defaulters. In case you have missed advance tax installments or you have delayed in filing income tax return, or you have paid less advance tax, then this cell is necessary, otherwise you may ignore it. So here with this salary and this TDS, this is the tax payable by you next year, in the next assessment year. So if you pay some advance tax, so around 50,000 advance tax you have to pay. So in June, if you have paid 10,000, then 20,000, then another 20,000 in the month of December, and then another 10,000 in the month of March, then it's already exceeding. Anyway, this is just for illustration. Then in that case you see that you have a refund now, and the color has already changed from pink to green. Green indicates you will have a refund. So if you don't pay your last installment here, then you see the refund you have 720. If you pay less amount here, in place of 20,000, if you pay 10,000, you can see you have to pay this much. In case your salary is say 6,90,000, then you see that you don't have to pay any tax, because next year up to 7 lakh tax rebate is available. So all these things will be taken into account here. So use it and see how it works. You can download this calculator from the link given in the description of this video, and in case you have some comments to make, you can use the comment box of this video. I'll reply. Thank you.